Alright, so in this example, we're gonna create a file type locator, meaning that this script will locate a specific file type that we're searching for in the entire system and will destroy it, okay? So this will be a file type locator and destroyer script. That's the official name of this video. And what we intend with that is searching for a specific or a special file type that is unusual, such as a virus or a malware, and get rid of it or remove it, okay? Destroy it by removing. So how are we gonna do that? At first, we will prompt the user to enter for us a specific file type. So enter the file type or extension to destroy, or to search and destroy, okay? To locate and destroy. Read, and the user will give us the file type. We'll call it extension. We will store it in a variable called extension. Now, at first, we're gonna use the locate command, but how does the locate work? You see, the locate command, how it works is that it searches in a database, okay, where all the file locations that are on the system are stored. That's why before actually using the locate function or command, we need to update the database of the system. We do that by typing sudo update db. This will make sure that whatever files have been added recently have been updated or added or like indexed inside the database, which is very important. Now, in order to locate this file type extension, this special extension provided by the user, we use this command, locate, then $, and we open up these two braces and we provide the extension type over here, which can be .txt, .jpeg, whatever, okay? And then I need to store it inside a file that will be created on the spot, okay? It will be a temporary file that will store the results. So I redirected using the greater sign, locator temp.txt, and this is how we try to locate, and we store the results in locator temp.txt. Now, another important thing, so let's say I'm on the desktop right now, okay, and I type, okay, locate, let's say I'm searching for the JPEG type of files, and I've redirected it to the file locator tmp.txt, which by the way does not exist, but it will be created immediately after running this command. Great. So if I display the locator tmp.txt, you see it showed me all the results ending with .jpeg. Now, how am I gonna check if this file has results, like if results have been found or not for that file type, okay? How to actually like check it using an if statement. I need some type of numerical value. This is how we do it. I type cat locator tmp.txt, which will spit out the results that are within this file on the console naturally, but instead of naturally displaying on the console, I will redirect it to another command, which is word count. Word count will count for me either the number of characters, the number of words, or the number of lines within a file. In this case, we are interested in the lines, because for each line is actually a result, okay? So pipe redirection wc-l, and you see here we found 110 results, meaning that since the number of lines of locator temp.txt is 110, okay, we knew it through wc-l, it counted the number of lines, and for each line you have a result. You have a full path for a JPEG file, meaning that on the system you have 110 JPEG files. All right, so we're gonna use that inside an if statement. So if cat. And by the way, in order to run any command in bash script, we need to delimit it by these two backward apostrophes, so that it will run on the inside, then give you the result to the outside. Okay, spit out the result so that it can be compared inside an if statement. So cat locator temp.txt, then I pipe it to word count -l. So if that is less than or equal to 0, it means what? That no results have been found. That actually, since this file is empty, it means that nothing has been located of that file type. So if that is true, what we're gonna do is echo, display a message to the user, no $extension file has been found. All right, meaning that no dot whatever you provided, no file of that type has been found. Otherwise, here I'm gonna use the else, okay, to go into the other option in case files have been found, meaning that the word count is different than 0, it's greater than 0. In such case, what I need to do is I need to read the lines of locator temp.txt, okay, because for each line is actually a result. Okay, so this is how we do it. I type cat locator tmp.txt, then I redirect it to the while loop. So while read line, what do I do while I read the line? For each line, I'm gonna remove that line, meaning that I'm gonna remove that file type. Okay, rm-rf $line, then echo $line has been removed or has been deleted. Otherwise, and this is how otherwise works, so I will type, yeah, two pipelines, which is like or, otherwise, error in removing files. I close the parentheses, then you have done. Okay, finally, after going through the while loop, okay, actually in both cases, once I'm done and I exit, then I need to remove the temporary file. Okay, rm, yeah, it needs to be inside the if statement, so rm locator temp.txt. all right, so let's try it. Of course, I'm not gonna try it over a JPEG file. Here we've created file types, fictional file types that have an extension of .xcrp. Actually, fictitious file types have been created having an extension .xcrp, and we're gonna try to remove them. So they are on the desktop, right? So what I need to do here, clear, then chmod to change the mode of access, and by the way, bash intro.sh is on the desktop, plus rwx, meaning giving the right to the user to read, write, and execute the file, bash intro.sh. Then I will clear again to run the file /bash intro.sh. Okay, so the file type I need to destroy is .xcrp, I'm sorry. Yeah, xcrp, enter. The password needs to be provided for the sudo update db, by the way. Enter. So, okay. Error in removing files. Let's check if files have been removed. No, they are still there. So you have, we have an error over here. Okay. They need to be on the same line. That's why I believe. So let's run it again. xcrp. All right, you see these files have been deleted. Okay, it works fine.